Hi, this lesson is about the addition and subtraction of complex numbers in Cartesian form. We know that the Cartesian form is expressing the complex number in the form of x plus jy, and normally the letter z1 is used to indicate a complex number. Z1 in this case is given as 9 minus j8 and Z2 is given as minus 10 plus j15. First let's learn how to do Z1 plus Z2, which is given as Z1 is 9 minus j8 plus Z2 is minus 10 plus j15. The very important point when you're adding two complex numbers is grouping the real and imaginary parts together. We can see that the real part in this is 9 and minus 10, and the imaginary part is minus j8 and j15. First, opening the brackets, we have 9 minus j8 plus times minus becomes a minus 10, plus times plus becomes plus j15. Grouping the real and imaginary parts together, first starting with the real part, 9 and minus 10. So you have 9 and minus 10 together, and then you have minus j8 plus j15, which are the imaginary parts of the equation. 9 minus 10 can be given as minus 1, and minus j8 plus j15 can be given as j7. This is the answer for Z1 plus Z2. Now moving on to Z1 minus Z2, we have Z1 is replaced by 9 minus j8 and Z2 is replaced by minus 10 plus j15. Now in this case it is slightly different because this plus is replaced by a minus. When you multiply a number by minus sign, the sign automatically changes. So first, opening the brackets, we have 9 minus j8, minus times minus is plus 10, minus times plus is minus j15. And now the procedure is the same as the previous one, grouping the real and imaginary parts together. So now in this case you can see that 9 and 10 are the real parts. So 9 plus 10, and minus j8 and minus j15 are the imaginary parts. So grouping them together, minus j8 minus j15. 9 plus 10 is 19, and minus j8 minus j15 is minus j23, which is the answer for Z1 minus Z2.